Welcome to ZimAfrik TV, the home of African pride, travel, and untold beauty. Here we showcase the real Zimbabwe, elegant, peaceful, full of wonder. If it's your first time here, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and join our journey as we show the world that Zimbabwe is not just a country, it's an experience. Today we take you on a magical adventure through one of Africa's best kept secrets, the Eastern Highlands of Zimbabwe. From Harare to Mutare, the gateway to the highlands, our journey begins in Harare. Zimbabwe is a busy capital. Whether you drive or fly, every route to the east opens a window into the country's natural soul. It's about 265 kilometers from Harare to Mutare, a 3 to 4 hour drive through rolling landscapes. If you prefer speed, here's now a local flight directly from Harare to Mutare, perfect for tourists who want to save time and see more. For those who love the open road, car hire ranges from 50 to 90 per day depending on the model. As you descend towards Mutare, the famous Christmas Pass welcomes you, a winding mountain road that reveals a breathtaking view of Mutare. Below is one of Africa's most scenic drives, your perfect first stop for photos. Birchenough Bridge, the steel jewel of Sawe River. South of Mutare, along Mutare-Masvingo Highway, stands one of Zimbabwe's proudest landmarks, Birchenough Bridge. Built in 1935, designed by Ralph Freeman, the same designer who designed the Sydney Harbour Bridge. This 329-meter long steel arch stretches gracefully across the Sawe River. Once the third longest single arch bridge in the world, it remains a symbol of Zimbabwe's strength, beauty, and innovation. Stop for a few moments there, capture drone shots, buy handmade crafts from local markets, or enjoy lunch at Birchenough Bridge Motel overlooking the shimmering Sawe River. This is where heritage meets hospitality, and every view tells a story. Vumba Mountains, the misty paradise, just 30 minutes from Mutare. The Vumba Mountains rise into the clouds, known lovely as the Mountains of Mist. Here you can stroll through the Vumba botanical gardens, explore forest trails, and enjoy cool mountain air. Don't miss Tony's Coffee Shop, the world famous for rich cakes, fresh coffee, and peaceful garden vibes. Stay at Leopard Rock Hotel, one of Africa's most scenic resorts, with a golf course and a panoramic view that could silence even the noisiest traveler. Vumba is calm, green, romantic, and perfect for couples, nature lovers, and anyone escaping the city life. Nyanga, the Highlands of Adventure. Next stop, Nyanga, about 120 kilometers from Mutare. This is the adventure capital of Eastern Highlands, where rolling hills meet crystal rivers and the mountain air refreshes the soul. Climb Mount Nyanga, Zimbabwe's highest peak, or witness the majestic Motarazi Falls, the tallest waterfall in Zimbabwe, second highest in Africa. For the bold, try the skywalk, zipline suspended above the gorge, offering one of the best adrenaline rushes in Africa. Stay at Troutberg Resort, Rhodes Nyanga Hotel, or Cozy Park Lodges, perfect for hiking, fishing, stargazing at night. Chimanimani, the wild frontier. Further south lies Chimanimani, a place where nature, still whispers, and mountains guide ancient secrets. Here you can explore the Chimanimani National Park, home to the caves, crystal clear rivers, ancient rock paintings that tell the story of Zimbabwe's people. Visit Birchenough Falls, one of Africa's most romantic waterfalls, calm, pure and ideal for relaxation or photography. Chimanimani is not crowded. It's pure, raw and spiritual. It's the kind of place where you breathe peace and live with perspective. Travel and visa information. For international tourists, most nationalities can apply for a visa on arrival or online via Zimbabwe e-visa system. Always double check the latest visa categories, prices before traveling. Visitors from southern countries can enter visa free for short stays. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months and there's few blank pages for entry stamps. Flights connect Harare with the major cities across Africa, including Johannesburg, Addis Ababa, Nairobi, Lusaka, Dubai. From there, local flights and car hires make reaching the Eastern Highlands easy and enjoyable. Message to Zimbabweans in diaspora. To all Zimbabweans living abroad, it's time to reconnect. Your homeland is beautiful, peaceful and full of opportunity. Come for a visit. Bring your children to see where you come from. Invest, build, explore, rediscover the magic of Zimbabwe's landscape. Tourism is not just for foreigners, it's for us too. Every trip home is a contribution to the economy, a celebration of identity, and a step towards rewriting your own story. Let's show the world that Zimbabwe is open and proud and also world class. Why you should visit the Eastern Highlands? Because here every sunrise feels like a blessing. The mountains sing with mist, the rivers sparkle, and the people welcome you with warmth. The Eastern Highlands aren't just a place, they are a feeling, a reminder that home is still one of the most beautiful destinations on earth. So check your passport, pack your camera, set your date. Your journey through Zimbabwe Highlands is waiting. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe to ZimAfrik TV for more inspiring travel stories from Zimbabwe and across Africa. Turn on the notification bell so you can never miss out on our next episode. Share this video with friends, family, everyone who still needs to see the real beauty of Zimbabwe. This is ZimAfrik, telling our own stories, showing real Africa, and reminding the world that Zimbabwe is the joy in the continent. Until next time, travel smart, stay proud, and keep Africa in your heart. Thank you.